Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Camden Bohn. I'm a prior, a president, but most importantly, a friar. I've played volleyball for the past 4 years, and today I'm going to give you a little bit of insight into our athletics program here. Servite offers 13 CIF sports and 2 club sports. We compete at the highest level in the country, the Trinity League. At Servite, we not only get some of the best coaching staff in California, but we also emphasize the importance of being a student athlete. The order of those words are very important to us because Servite wants you to succeed in your sport, but we also want you to highlight your success as an all-around young man, which is why being a student athlete is so important. It allows us to focus on educating our mind, and our body grows along with it. If you ever get crazy busy one week with homework and practices, we have many opportunities provided on campus. One of the best is our academic success program headed by Mr. Marshall, our head hockey coach. The program allows students to access our library for extra study halls in the morning. Faculty members help us with our homework and give clarity to class lessons. On the other hand, if you don't play a sport, there are hundreds of ways to get involved with athletics through the Asylum. That's the name we give our Servite student section. We've been ranked #1 in Orange County multiple times over the past couple years and were recently ranked #1 in the nation. When seniors are asked, what was your favorite part of Servite? Almost all of them respond, the Asylum. Whether at football, basketball, or even water polo games, the Asylum is there cheering you on as an athlete or for you to cheer on your fellow brothers and even your rosary sisters. Not only do your coaches care about your academic success, they also focus on your life once you graduate from Servite, instilling in us leadership, confidence, and time management, just to name a few. We look forward to seeing you all on campus.